Transferring cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Binance is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you will need to have a Coinbase account and a Binance account. If you do not have these accounts, you will need to create them before proceeding. First, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the Accounts page. Here you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you have in your Coinbase wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, click on the Send button next to the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. A pop-up window will appear where you will need to enter the recipient address. This is the address of your Binance wallet. To find your Binance wallet address, log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet page. Click on the Deposit button next to the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. A pop-up window will appear where you will see the deposit address. This is the address you will enter into the recipient address field on Coinbase. Copy the Binance wallet address and go back to Coinbase. Paste the address into the recipient address field and enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending your cryptocurrency to the wrong wallet. Once you have entered the address and amount, click on the Continue button. Coinbase will ask you to confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Then click on the Confirm button. The transaction will now be processed and the cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Coinbase wallet to your Binance wallet. This process can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with transferring cryptocurrency. These fees are typically paid to the miners who verify the transactions on the blockchain. Make sure to check the fees before transferring your cryptocurrency. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Binance is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. Make sure to double-check the recipient address and transaction details to avoid any mistakes. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your cryptocurrency and start trading on Binance.